the machine! Tovisen waiting for you to fight!
Hello guys, today we're gonna change the hydraulic cylinder to the V1000 Pro Max and change the hydraulic oil. Okay, so here is the toys. We need the wrench and the cylinder wrench, and this is a 10 millimeters wrench. All right, let's go. So before change the cylinder, remember to raise the ball, and you need to secure the support rod in place like this. Okay, good. And take off the quick plate here. Quick plate, yeah. And that one. Okay, now let's start. Loosen the screw here, these two. Okay, put it away. Leave it here. Yeah. And now you're gonna take off this part to change the cylinder. This is the hydraulic cylinder. Okay, now then you need the you need the cylinder wrench to take it out. Okay, so be careful here, this step, because the hydraulic oil may come out, so slow down. So you may need the okay. Here. Yeah, careful.
Okay,
See?
now it's out.
Alright, so when you take it down, you're gonna change a new one, new cylinder, and install it. Alright? But we don't have the new one, so we just want to show everyone. You're gonna just use this one to put it back.
Okay, let's get it back.
Let's put it back. Okay, so we don't have the new one, so we just use this one to put it back. Let's go.
Let's go.
Careful.
Okay.
Be careful.
Oh.
I did.
Wow! It's not easy to get it back.
Yeah, it's not very easy, huh? Not complicated.
Oh, I get it. We need to
Clean it.
get
Okay.
much more hydraulic oil.
Okay. Now you're gonna use the fillet wrench to tighten it. Okay. The only thing you need to watch out is the oil. Okay, now we're gonna tighten it. Use the fillet wrench. Okay. Wow. See? Oil on my hand. So you need to be careful when you change it.
Yes. It's not easy to get it back. Because there's not much space. I have used all my force to do that.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Because it's space.
That's enough. That's enough, I think.
Okay.
Okay,
It's
good.
enough.
Alright. Instill them back. The first one, this part.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, this one.
Careful.
Alright.
Okay. Here.
Yeah. You,
Oh, I do it.
you can do it.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Next one, the fillet.
Yeah.
Fillet back.
Yes, thank you. Give them a minute. Yes. That one?
Yeah, this one.
Let me. Now you can use these tools to get it. Hey. 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 Okay. Now,
Okay, guys, so we finished to change the hydraulic filter. Now we're gonna add some hydraulic oil. Okay, now everyone remember when you add the hydraulic oil, you need to clean it. Alright? Make sure it's clean. We're gonna add oil here, hydraulic oil.
let me see here.
Yeah. So you need to see in this line, alright? When it All right.
It's got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's too much, but normally it's just half. It's enough. When you see this line, that means the hydraulic oil is enough. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Finished.
Finished.
Yes. Let's do it. Put it back.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Okay, finished to add the hydraulic oil. The last step, we're gonna put them back. Quick plate. Add a quick plate. Now we're gonna test the machine.
I'm okay now.
Okay. Take it off.
Hello, Liz. Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna test the machine. See if it works. That's perfect.
Yes, excellent. We have time.
Very good. Okay, guys. Gonna finish here. So today we changed the hydraulic cylinder and oil. So maybe next time, who do you want to see? You can tell us. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.